The subcompact crossover war is in full swing, and one might think that another contender is the last thing the segment needs. Kia doesn't seem to agree, which is why it's bringing along the Sonet to the fray. This new arrival is set to be launched in India by September, and it promises to change urban commutes as we know it. In a field that's dominated by a plethora of rivals, what does the Kia Sonet bring to the table? Find out by clicking like and subscribe, click the bell icon, and get dibs on the latest videos from Philkotse.com. The Kia Sonet is one of those rare instances when a concept translates into its equivalent production version almost intact. It sports the same 3,995mm length and 2,500mm wheelbase as its cousin, the Hyundai Venue, yet stands wider at 1,790mm and taller at 1,647mm. The Sonet offers a ground clearance of 211mm, which should give it enough confidence to run over potholes and bumps in city driving, as well as light trails. The large tiger nose grille contrasts with the rest of the vehicle's compact dimensions, which further emphasizes the Sonet's small footprint. A pair of LED headlamps sits on the front corners, while the sculpted front bumper features recessed fog lamps and a fall skid plate down below. Power adjustable and auto-folding side mirrors are standard. The Sonet sports a largely upright silhouette, sharing the same two-tone color scheme as its larger Stonic stablemate, with a blacked-out roof terminating at the body-colored C-pillars. A pair of roof rails on top makes it more convenient to attach a carrying rack. Wraparound LED tail lamps flank the liftgate that features a large rear glass window sitting on top of a rear bumper skid plate combo. A set of 15-inch steel wheels or 16-inch aluminum alloys are housed within the plastic-clad wheel wells. Inside, the Sonet can accommodate up to 5 occupants, with fabric upholstery on the base variant and leatherette seats on the higher trims. Soft-touch surfaces abound in the cabin, and the luggage compartment behind the rear seats can accommodate up to 392 liters of cargo. Ventilated seats await front occupants, while drivers take charge of a flat-bottom multi-function steering wheel. A large floating-type panel extends from the driver's side to the center of the dashboard, housing both a 10.67-inch driver information display and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system on the top-spec GT line variant. The interface offers navigation capabilities, over-the-air updates, Hello Kia AI voice recognition, and smartwatch connectivity. Wireless phone charging is an available option, as well as automatic climate control with cabin air purifier and virus protection. Under the hood, the Sonet offers a range of 2 gasoline and 2 diesel engines, 3 of them turbocharged. The regular 1.2-liter SmartStream gasoline engine makes 82 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque. Its 1-liter turbocharged equivalent with direct injection whips up 118 horsepower and 172 Nm of torque. The 1.5-liter common rail diesel with wastegate turbocharger generates 97 horsepower and 240 Nm of torque, while its variable geometry turbo-equipped counterpart kicks up 113 horsepower and 250 Nm of twist. There's an equally broad selection of transmissions as well, ranging from the base 5 and 6-speed manual gearboxes to a 6-speed torque converter automatic, a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission, and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Electric power steering makes an already light vehicle even easier to maneuver on city crawls. Remote engine start lets you prep the cabin's temperature before you even open the doors. Stability and traction control help maintain grip even on slippery surfaces, while Hill Start Assist comes in handy on inclined roads. Safety features include up to 6 airbags and anti-lock brakes with electronic brake force distribution, as well as front and rear parking sensors. The Kia Sonet will be launched in Tech Line and GT Line trim levels, spanning 6 variants between them. No word on either pricing or availability for the Philippine market, but we're willing to bet that if it arrives here, the competition will have their work cut out for them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Philkotse, the country's #1 online car portal.